Hello viewers, this is Kalmax once again, and today I'm going to review that road bike there. I'm going to ride it around, then I'll tell you how it feels afterwards and give you the full details about the bicycle, the things that have changed and the things that are original. So watch, enjoy and subscribe to the channel. Feel like something is loose, so let me check first. Try continue. is very, very loose. Here is some creepy sounds. So this one is a road bike. The brand name is called Raleigh, and I've had it for more than 4 years. And this one is made of steel. It's a classic bicycle, a vintage bicycle. I love the bicycle. So the special thing about the bicycle, like the frame has got like a arrow shape, a unique kind of shape. See how the frame looks like the arrow shape, arrow tube. It was built for speed. Chromalloy, made of chromalloy. It's made of chromalloy. The bike is not that heavy. It has got aluminium seat post that has got suspension. It has got a great saddle. It did not come with that saddle. I put the saddle there. It's made by the company called Specialized Saddle. And I also changed the bar, the handlebar. This one came from a bicycle called Fuji. It came from Fuji, the stem and the handlebar. It's not the one that came with this bicycle, so I changed the handlebar. The other thing I changed was the brake levers. I removed the Shimano brake levers and replaced them with the Tektro, because I really like Tektro. They look modern and they work better. So I replaced the old Shimano brake levers with the Tektro levers. So it has got good calipers, brake calipers, original brake calipers, Wayman. Those are Wayman, made by Wayman. The calipers came with the bicycle. They are original calipers that came with the bicycle. The only thing I change when it comes to brake are the levers, the brake levers. Replace Shimano with Tektro. Tektro looks modern, more modern. So I also changed the wheels. It did not come with those wheels. It came with the other wheels. And I replaced the wheels and also replaced the tire. So the tires now are Schwalbe tires, Schwalbe marathon tires. I think they are 32C, 732C. 732C. The wheels are double rims. They got double wall. So the brand name of the tires is called, the tires are made by the company called Schwalbe. So this is Schwalbe Marathon. So the hubs are made of aluminium. It has got old school gear shifters. And if you know how to use them, they really work good. They work proper, but you have to get used to them. So that's a bottle cage made of plastic, and those are the pedals made in Japan. Did not come with the bicycle. I put them there. The derailleurs are made by the company called Sanchua. I've done a lot of changes to almost all my bicycle. Like normally I change the things that I don't find attractive, replace them with the things that I like. So like the wheels, I didn't like the wheels that came with this bicycle, so I had to change. Changing for better. Like the stem, I like this stem, so I put it there because it looks better than what was there before. The Fuji stem and the Fuji handlebar came. I removed that from the bicycle called Fuji. This bicycle can go very, very fast. Even if you have your carbon bicycle and you're not as fit as I am, you can be sure you will be left behind. I'll leave you behind. I used this bicycle a lot during COVID. I was using it like every Sunday. We used to have like a group of 30 people, so we used to go for a long ride. And I was winning all the time. Not to boast though, but I was winning all the time using this bicycle. The bike looks good, looks classic. I love classic bicycles. So this Raleigh is made in England. British-built bicycle, Raleigh. Aeroframe. This bicycle was built for speed back in the days, the old days, old times. It has got 7-speed cassette. I love the arrow shape of this frame. The crankset is size 52. I installed the lights on this one yesterday, so I have like 2 lights here for visibility, and you can also use one as an indicator. Like for example, if you want to turn left, you press on this one. If you want to turn right, you press on the other one. So you can use them as an indicator. Whatever side you want to go, you light one at a time. So for example, you want to go left, you turn the left one on. Want to go right, you turn the right one on. That's also a fine bicycle. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.